Example 3. Gaming. To win this level, you have to aim at the boss weak spot, meaning pointing physically. Hey guys, today let's master the phrasal verb aim at. You probably know this from video games. When you point your weapon at a target, you are aiming at it. That is the physical meaning, but in daily English, we use it metaphorically to talk about intentions or target audiences. If you are creating a product, video, or setting a goal, you direct your efforts towards a specific person or result. You are aiming at that success. Before the examples, I have a request. After watching, please post an example you created in the comments. Commenting is the best way to show your engagement and put your knowledge into practice. Also, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Sharing is very important because this content can help many people who are interested in studying English just like you. Here are 5 practical examples. Example 1. Marketing. This new energy drink is aimed at gamers who need focus. Meaning, targeted towards. Example 2. Personal goals. I am aiming at finishing my university degree next year. Meaning, intending to achieve. Example 3. Gaming. To win this level, you have to aim at the boss weak spot, meaning pointing physically. Example 4. Social media. My YouTube videos are aimed at students who want to speak natural English, meaning designed for. Example 5. Criticism. I felt like his rude comment was aimed at me, meaning directed towards. Now, it is your turn again. Post an example you have created in the comment below. Did you enjoy the explanation? Support the channel, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe so you don't miss out on important English tips. Keep learning and see you in the next video.